Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. मेरा नाम भारती पुरी है and today in this video I will be reviewing this makeup remover right here. This is by this brand called The Face Shop. It's a Korean cosmetic brand. So this one I purchased it from a Nykaa website and I'm really loving this makeup remover cream. This is like a very simple cream. It's kind of it's like a nice dupe of the Clinique balm makeup remover balm. I have not tried the Clinique makeup remover balm, but I wanted something which is affordable, at the same time would remove all of my makeup fast. So that ways I ended up purchasing this from Nykaa website. It was not that expensive and it really worked out for me. So I just want to review this product for you guys, just to as a recommendation if you guys are also searching for a makeup remover like this. So as you can see, I've just finished filming this makeup look. So the tutorial will come soon. I think it's already uploaded, or I'm going to upload it after this video is uploaded. So you can see it's a very heavy makeup. The base, everything is heavy in this makeup that I've done, which you guys can see. So I'm going to be using this to remove all of this. So you're going to be seeing how I'm going to demonstrate it, how I like to use this. It's very easy, and what I really liked is that it did not sting my eyes. So I'm just going to show you. First, let me open this up. It smells nice. It's not too strong. So as you can see, there's another double lid over here. And when I open this, you can see this is like a very thick cream. I don't know if you can even see it, but the texture is very cold cream, Pond's cold cream kind of cream texture, but it's not like, you're not supposed to use it like a Pond's cream. So it's like a makeup remover. It is perfumey, and in the ingredient list it said that it has parabens, alcohol. So if you are the type who needs to avoid those kind of ingredients in a skincare, then I would suggest not to go for this. But when I already bought this, it was too late. I already opened up the package, so I had to, like, in the end, try it out. And surprisingly, it did not sting my eyes and my skin did not break out using this. So I really liked it. Yeah, so this is like a lot of product. I've been using just tiny bit, and a tiny bit goes a long way. So let me first tie up my hair. I'm wearing falsies, so I'm just going to remove the falsies. So I'm just scooping out just this much first. I just need that. I think I've scooped too much, but yeah. And what this does is melts off the makeup real good. I've applied like heavy foundation on my neck also. That's why I'm applying here as well. And now you can see all you need to do is massage now. And while you're massaging, you just leave it on for like 30 seconds after like spreading it and massaging it all over. So guys, as you can see, my whole makeup is removed. So I'm really loving this Rice Water Bright cleansing cream by The Face Shop. It's very gentle on my face. It doesn't take too long. I really like to massage it on my face, and like within 30 seconds while massaging and everything, the whole makeup gets broken down, and then you can use any kind of facial tissue paper or toilet paper, or even like face towel if you have. I have a toilet paper around me, so I just like to use a toilet paper or any kind of facial tissue and just wipe everything in one go. And then, as you can see, the whole makeup is removed, and then I follow it up with a face wash. So it's very important whenever you use any kind of makeup remover, it's important to follow it up with a face wash. So you can use any kind of face wash that you are using. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do after I've done using this now. So I'm going to use a face wash to just wash my face and clean it properly, so that more extra layer of makeup is removed and all that. And then I'm going to follow it up with my usual nighttime skincare routine, which is basically toner, serum, moisturizer, and so on. So yeah, I'm really liking it. I highly wanted to make a separate video regarding this product because I'm really loving it. And yeah, I hope this was helpful for you, the quick review demo video. Yeah, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. And I think it's a great dupe if you cannot afford the Clinique, if it's out of your budget. So I think this cleansing cream is a great dupe if your budget is very tight but you need a good makeup remover. Then this rice water bright cleansing cream is very good, and the packaging is also cute. And as you can see, the quantity wise you get a lot and you only need to use a very little bit. So yeah, as you can see, whole makeup is removed. Yeah, multiple layers. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Take care, you guys.